Welcome to the Tax Saving Minute, Season 1, Beginner Tax Questions. Today, we'll talk about what tax documents do you need to keep track of. Basically, what you need is evidence of your income and your deductions. If you made money, you need records of that. If you have deductions, you want to be able to prove that you deserve them. So what does that look like? Well, it could be your W-2 from your employer. It could be a 1099. 1099s come in many flavors. It could be interest, dividends, or payment from some random job you did, or you could have a K-1. Pro tip, if anything says 1099 on it, you need to keep it, no matter what kind it is, because all of those things are filed with the federal government, which means if you don't report it on your tax return, they will know. So keep track of that. The other things you want to keep track of are deductions. Yes, of course, everybody wants deductions. So what are some deductions that you could keep track of? Well, all those thank you letters from those nice little charities that you give to would be a huge plus. And medical expenses. Oh yes, keep track of all those medical expenses. You may or may not be able to deduct them depending on how much they are, but definitely keep track of them. Mortgage interest, that is deductible and you should keep track of it. Keep track of your real estate tax, how much you paid, because that is deductible. And finally, business expenses. If you ran your own business, you need to keep track of every single expense because it makes a huge difference on your tax return. So that's it. Keep track of your income and your expenses. Now, what are itemized deductions? Well, join us in episode 5 to find out. Thank you for joining me for the Tax Saving Minute. If you want us to talk about something specific in the future, contact us at taxmantom.com. I'm Cynthia Umstattd, CPA with Tom Umstattd CPA. See you next time.